How to navigate FanDuel's live betting interface. If you want to navigate FanDuel's live betting interface, all you have to do is first of all launch the FanDuel application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now over here, if you look from the bottom, you'll find an option that says Live Now. So you can just tap on the Live Now button. Then when you tap on the Live Now button, you will see all the games like basketball, tennis, cricket, table tennis, racing, or anything that are currently happening live over here. Now if you want to bet live on a certain game, you can simply choose a certain game right here. There will be different type of live in-game betting features as well. Once you tap on the game to view detailed live betting markets, you can simply check the live stats. So you will find all the live stats that are currently happening over here, what's happening. Now from here you can choose the odds that you want, right? So based on whatever else it is, you can choose all those odds and then you can add them to your bet slip, and you can monitor your active live bets under the My Bets option that you can see here. You must understand that the live odds can change quickly, so you must act fast if you find favorable bets. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.